Hi guys, it's Pam here and welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today we're going to see how to cook perfect boiled eggs every time, different cooked for a different type of dish you have. And today I'm showing 5 ways you can do easily at home. One important thing for the perfect boiled eggs is the quality. I'm not talking about the price or if it's from free range hens or whatsoever like that. I'm talking about the freshness of the eggs. And how to know? You can pick the latest date on the package, or another way to do it is gently putting the eggs in the water. If they sink, basically they're fresh. But if they float, then maybe it's not a good idea to use, because the air builds up inside the egg as it ages, and this increases its buoyancy. However, an egg that floats may still be safe to eat. You can further test the egg by cracking it open to smell it and check it for visible signs of contamination. And before boiling, the eggs must be in room temperature. So if you normally store your eggs in the fridge, leave them out for at least 30 minutes. Some people might start boiling the eggs at the same time with the water, but that method I think is not the most accurate, since different material of the pot will store a different level of the heat. So for the most accurate result, we will put the eggs after the water boils and prepare the bucket of iced water to stop the cooking process and get the results we aim to. Salt will help for easily peeling, so we're using a little bit of them, maybe about 1 teaspoon of it. And keep an iced water bucket on the side. After water boils, turn down to medium heat to keep the temperature, but reduce the bubbles since they can crack the eggs. Gently put the eggs in. I'm putting all 5 eggs at the same time for different results, and a timer would help. Keep an eye on it. After the first minute, gently moving the eggs around so the yolks will not sit at the bottom. Be gentle though, we don't want to crack the eggs. The first soft-boiled egg, I would go for 4 minutes. Put in the ice water right away to stop the cooking process. And I'm gonna write the number down to avoid a confusion. Now the 6 minutes one. And for the medium boiled eggs, it's gonna take 8 and 10 minutes. I'll show you the differences, then you can decide which one you want. And don't forget to put them in the iced water right away. And 15 minutes for hard-boiled eggs, or egg, because I only have one in a video. So now we're having 4 minutes boiled, 6, 8, 10, and 15. Let's see the results. The 4 minutes one is the softest. Be very gentle when cracking. Good to start from the top because that's where the air is most likely to be. Then peel in or through. The cold water will help you remove the shells easier. And the shells are off. Let's see what's the difference. And looking from the side, the ones that were boiled in the shorter times are flatter because the egg white is still softer. And let's cut the 4 minutes boiled. I'd normally just cut on the plate, but then it won't be so clear to see, so I'm gonna get my hand dirty here. There you go. For 4 minutes boiled egg, the yolk is still very runny in the middle and the egg white is really soft. The perfect meal for this egg would be congee or rice porridge. For 6 minutes, the yolk is also still runny, but not as much as 4 minutes one. The egg white is more firm and is perfect for menus like ramen or noodle soup. Eight minutes boiled egg. The yolk is not runny, still get the soft texture in the middle, and the yolk from the outer area can be a bit more cooked. Eating with dry noodles menus or just sprinkle some salt and pepper on top is just so good. For the 10 minutes, the yolk is more cooked and the egg white is more firm. This one is good for salads or whatever menu that you need the yolk not runny but not too dry. And lastly, complete hard-boiled egg. It took 15 minutes to cook, and as you see, the egg yolk is completely cooked beautifully but not overcooked. So how does overcooked hard-boiled eggs look like? Well, if it's overcooked, you are going to see some green or gray mark around the yolk, and it is totally okay to eat overcooked hard-boiled eggs, not dangerous or whatsoever. And that's all for 5 different levels of boiled eggs. Now you know how to boil eggs at perfect cooking point for different menus. So which one is your favorite? Let me know in a comment. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time. Bye!